you rather buy a brand new pair? Or would you rather pay your local shoe cleaner to clean up your favorite pair of kicks? And at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you know what these bad boys are reselling for.
What you niggas on? I don't spare these niggas for too long.
Yo, it's the boy Chery. Welcome to Chery's World. Hey, today we got a new series. I'm coming at you with something brand new for the community, alright? A simple game of Would You Rather. I'm gonna explain the details. So basically the details of Would You Rather, we all know the game. You have an option and it's would you rather do this or that. But we're gonna keep it sneaker edition, as you can see, right? Would you rather buy a brand new pair? Or would you rather pay your local shoe cleaner to clean up your favorite pair of kicks? And at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you know what these bad boys are reselling for. We got today a pair of Jordan 4 Retro 11 Lab Red, okay? And y'all let me know in the comments down below. But first, I gotta clean these joints up for my customer. Got a pair of 2015 Jordan 4 Lab, right? 11 Lab 4 Red. Old patent, completely red shoe. As you can see, it's all shiny all the way around.
Showing these niggas and shit. They counted me out, but no, I never quit. Getting that back since legit. None of these old heads legit. They hating cause they know a young nigga lit. They hating cause they know a young nigga straight. I don't even got time to debate. Woke up and rolled me an 8. I just cracked the profile and I babe. I just backdoor the plug cause he lame. Love don't even know my name. I'm in traffic with them things. Out trapping in the rain. Trying to stack my little chain. Niggas switching they chains. Make a nigga bitch faint. Biggest fish in it tank. She wanna fuck but she can't. Go drop the check in your bank. Ain't no this.
I already got my shoe tree in there. Unlace them.
I'm in the trap with my yank.
This Jordan is so dope. Like, just looking at it, such a clean shoe in my opinion.
When broke, then he so hip hop. How the fuck you sell your stick? Nigga, if you broke, hit a leg. Trying to see if he really with the shit.
Your soft bristle brush. First, I'm just gonna knock off the dirt on the surface.
But I brand new my bed. I gave these niggas in your house. Some Z's pulled up in the Ford Explorer. Real road running like Dora. Take a bitch. Boy, talk your shit. I was at the start. Niggas ain't talking my money. These niggas ain't talking my gon' get the same love that I be showing these niggas and shit. They counted me out, but no, I never quit. Getting that back since legit. None of these old heads legit. They hating cause they know a young nigga lit. They hating cause they know a young nigga straight. I don't even got time to debate. Woke up and rolled me an 8. I just cracked the profile and I babe.
So after getting the complete outsole, you know, scraped of all the gunk as best I could, we are done dry brushing the shoe completely. We're gonna put these brushes back. We're gonna move on to my other set of New Life brushes. The sole brush, we're gonna bring out the good old sponge too. So as you see, it's completely clean, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna use the new sole brush. Gonna dip it in our solution. And because I might honestly
thought I was gonna get the same love that I be showing these niggas and shit. They counted me out, but no, I never quit. Getting that back since legit. None of these old heads legit. They hating cause they know a young nigga lit. They hating cause they know a young nigga straight. I don't even got time to
I'm about to hit the rest of this shoe for y'all. Let's get it. Got my sponge, got my brush to get some of the areas that are tough. But honestly, this sponge should do it because of the patent. It's all leather. Beautiful shoe, honestly. We're gonna take that sponge and
we do this shit for the same. whipping it over the sink. I'm in the trap with my yank. I'm in the trap with my Zoes. If you know, then you know. If you told, then you fold. Heard that nigga sold his soul. Heard it when he broke, then he sold his soul. Tired of hoping and wishing and shit. Thought I was gon' get the same love that I be showing these niggas and shit. They counted me out, but no, I never quit. Getting that back since legit. None of these old heads legit. They hating cause they know a young nigga lit. They hating cause they know a young nigga straight. I don't even got time to debate. Woke up and wrote me an 8. I just cracked the profile and I bait. Trying to stack my little chain. Niggas switching they chains. Make a nigga bitch faint. Biggest fish in it tank. She wanna fuck but she can't. Go drop the check. Heard that nigga sold his soul. Heard it when he broke, then he sold his pole. How the fuck you sell your stick? Nigga, if you broke, hit a lick. Tryna see if he really with the shit. Started with a nigga. That I be showing these niggas and shit. They counted me out, but no, I never quit. Getting that back since legit. None of these old heads legit. They hating cause they know a young nigga lit. They hating cause they know a young nigga straight. I don't even got time to debate. Woke up and wrote me an 8. I just cracked the profile and I bait. I just backdoor the plug cause he lame. Plug don't even know my name. I'm a trapper with them things. Out trapping in the rain. Trying to stack my little chain. Niggas switching they chains. Make a nigga bitch faint. Biggest fish in it tank. She wanna fuck but she can't. Go drop the check in your bank. Ain't know this shit finna crank. We do this shit for the saint. Whipping it over the sink. I'm in the trap with my yank. I'm in the trap with my Zoes. If you know, then you know. If you told, then you fold. Heard that nigga sold his soul. Heard it when he broke, then he sold his pole. How the fuck you sell your stick? Nigga, if you broke, hit a lick. Tryna see if he really with the shit. Started with a nick, now you got a brick. Nigga walk smooth on slug. Nigga walk smooth on slug. Paid 3 band for the drill. Tired of hoping and wishing and shit. Thought I was gonna get the same.
I know I got a lot going on in the background right now. But as you seen, I just finished lacing up the Jordan 4. They're all clean. Damn, they look brand new. But would you rather, let's answer that question. Would you rather have these cleaned up by your local shoe cleaner? Or would you rather buy a brand new pair off the secondary market? Now, earlier, like I said, I was gonna tell you guys prices. And yeah, just know retail, when these dropped, these were $225 plus tax. Now resale, you're looking at a $500 plus depending on the size. This is a size 9. Last time I checked, it was listed on StockX for this shoe. Currently on StockX is going for $495. So if you were lucky to get this for retail, just know you'd be paying upwards around double the price just to get a brand new pair. So in my opinion, I would rather just have somebody clean my kicks for me personally. Man, look at that. You'd have thought it came off the line. No cap. But it's Chery. Welcome to Mr. Chery's world. You just watched the first installment of Would You Rather. It's a kick edition. Please stay tuned for more. Again, I'm about to head to Orlando Sneaker Convention. That's why my room's a little all over the place. I'm getting stuff done. Let me see if I can show y'all. There's clothes behind me. My whole setup. But yeah. I appreciate y'all watching the video, watching me clean these up for a customer. Hopefully, and knowing, I'm pretty sure the customer's gonna be happy. Like, come on now. Y'all seen what these look like before. Y'all seen it. This beautiful shoe of Chery is officially out. Catch y'all later.
We take losses if that's what it costs. Have my little niggas was running your house. Some Z's pulled up in the Ford Explorer. Real road running like Dora. Take a bitch to Bora Bora. Big Cuban ain't no Pandora. Hot boy talk your shit. I was at the Starbucks cause my Wi-Fi grease. These niggas ain't talking my money.